What's going on, guys? So this is the Kaome deep tissue massage gun. I have very close friends that are actual physical therapists and chiropractors that actually use this massage gun to relax their patient's muscle and to release the patient's pain, and use this during the therapy, which shows you that this massage gun actually works pretty well. So let's go ahead and dive right into the video. All right, so everything comes nicely packaged inside of this carrying case, which allows us to pretty much bring everything with us wherever we go. So it comes with a handle as well, which adds to the conveniency. So let's go ahead and unzip it and check out what's all on the inside. So as you can see right here, everything is very nicely packaged. First of all, we have the main thing, which is our deep tissue massage gun. And it also comes with 10 different heads. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it also comes with a charger right here, as you can see it. And the charge, this is where you insert it at the bottom of the gun. Simply plug it in here, and it only takes about 2 hours to fully charge this massage gun. And that 2 hour is going to give this massage gun 8 continuous non-stop hours of use. So that is a lot of time. The battery that is in here has 2,500 milliamp. Again, pretty big battery for a massage gun, and it can last pretty much for weeks if you just use it 15 minutes a day. All right, so here are all 10s of the different heads along with the massage gun right here. Before we actually use and demonstrate how everything works, let me go ahead and go over all the different components that are on the actual massage gun. So first of all, on the left hand side right here, you have this little button. If you press this button down, all the way down, you will be able to release the battery that is inside of the handle right here. And the grip that comes with the handle right here is an anti-slippery grip, which is very nice and convenient. That way you can hold it very tightly and it will not slip while you are holding it. So at the bottom of the massage gun, as you can see, here's the charging port, and you also have a on and off switch. So before you can start using the massaging gun, make sure you switch it over to the on position. So on top of here, you have a LED screen display. It does come with this little plastic cover right here. So before you use this, you can actually remove this. But I just like to keep it on there just to keep it looking new for a longer extended amount of time. And over here, this is where you insert any of the 10 heads that you want, depending on what type of massage or what type of relaxation you want to. And you will switch up the different 10 heads. And I'll show you each of the different heads later in just a second. And up here, as you can see, the design on top, you see all of these little holes. These are like air outlets. That way the massage gun will remain cool for the entire time that you are using it. One thing I do really like about this is the safety feature that they have built into it. So the safety feature will automatically turn off the massage gun every 15 minutes. So let's say if you forget to turn it off, it will automatically power off every 15 minutes. So let's go ahead and switch it on. And once you switch it on, as you can see right here, the LED screen lights up. The battery level right now is at 93%. And over here is the speed at which you want the massage gun to go. So if you press the plus, this will increase the speed, and negative will decrease the speed. And you will be able to adjust that once you power on the massage gun. So my favorite head to use is this circle head right here. So all you have to do is push it in. Once you push it in, that is pretty much it, guys. So now all we have to do is hit the power button. And immediately, as you can see, once we power it on, you see it goes to work immediately. So very good and very cool as well. So when you power it on, it is automatically set at level 1. You can tap the plus to leave it on level 2. It has up to 30 different speed levels. So you can go to level 3. So let me go ahead and show you. This is level 3. I'm going to pump it up all the way to the fastest speed, which is level 30. And there, you can see it, guys. This looks like it's barely moving, but it is moving at an extremely fast speed. And it actually feels very good. I actually really love using this to relax my neck and my back as well. I use it for my abdomen sometime as well, and my biceps. So at first, when you first start to use it, I recommend you to start at lower level, and then you'll realize that your body will get used to higher speed very quickly. Another thing I forgot to mention is if you look closely at the bottom right here, there's this green LED ring light, which looks really cool when the massage gun is powered on. And when it's charging, it will change to red, which looks pretty cool as well. And you will know that the battery is fully charged when the light turns from red to green. So now let me go ahead and demonstrate and show you how the massage gun actually works on our body. So I'm going to power it on. And for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to leave it on level 1 speed. So for this right here, this head, I typically use this to massage my back and my neck. However, if you want to feel much more, then this is the actual one that they recommend to use for the neck right here. But I don't like to use this as much because if I use a little pressure, this kind of hurts me a little bit. So I like to use this ball because similar to this one, this is bigger than this one, but same thing. It's kind of have a cushion right here, so it doesn't hurt me as much even when I use a lot of pressure, especially when I'm massaging my wife's neck or my wife's back. You know, she's skinnier than me, so she doesn't have much meat on her. So when I massage her, I typically change it to the bigger ball right here. Now, if you are a thicker person, if you weigh heavier, then you may like these better. These type of head right here will actually give you more deep tissue relax right here, especially for these little pointy ones right here. So for this one right here, I would typically just put it on my arm like that. Let's just pretend my hand right now is my back. And it feels very good, guys. The first time I started using this, you know, I was afraid that it was going to hurt me and all that. But I went to my chiropractor friend and then he performed and used these massage gun on my back and neck. And boy, doesn't it feel good. It felt so good that I had to, you know, get me one of these massage gun and start using it for myself and my wife as well. So it may look scary at first, but guys, trust me, it is very, very relaxing and it feels really, really good. Now, one thing about this massage gun is you'll notice that when you use it on parts that has, you know, more meat, you'll feel much better. As for other parts of your body where there's a lot of bones, you'll notice if you use too much pressure, it starts to bounce. It starts to bounce. So when you are massaging parts of the body that has, you know, bone, then you may want to use less pressure and it still feels very good as well. So let's go ahead and turn it off. And to switch the head, all you really have to do is pull it out. That's pretty much it. And let's go ahead and put in this one right here and just push it in. That's pretty much it. Power it back on. And there it is, guys. If you have stiff neck, stiff back, stiff arm, this would definitely help you relax any parts of your body that is stiff. Especially for your leg as well. If you don't get up and walk or get to run a lot, you can use this to really, you know, loosen up your leg and then give you the better blood flow as well. It feels really good, even though it looks scary. If you've never used this before, you know, it looks scary, but it's really, really not, guys. Again, it feels very good and feels very relaxing as well. Okay, so depending on how much you want to feel, you can switch up the different heads. But overall, I feel personally for me, this round head right here works for all purposes. Wherever I want to use this massage gun on my body, this head does the best for me. But you have 10 different options. You can pick whichever one you want. And I even use this to massage my abdomen as well. It works and it feels good at the same time. I can massage my abdomen when I'm watching TV or when I'm watching a movie, and that's the best thing. With all that being said, guys, that is the KOAME Deep Tissue Massage Gun. Check it out, and I will see you all in the next video.